YouTube TV is a feature-rich alternative to cable TV, and today I'm going to start my process of cutting the cord. I'm currently using Frontier FIOS, but if YouTube TV is as good as I think it's going to be, this is going to be a great transition off of cable TV. In this video, I'll run through the basics of the setup on my computer and then show how to watch programs on my HDTV. The nice thing is that you can sign up for a 7-day trial, which is what I'm about to do right now. I'm using my existing Gmail account, but if you don't have one, you'll have to create one here. After creating your account or signing in, you'll have to agree to new options to your Google account. And it looks like YouTube TV can detect the location I'm at in order to feed my local channels. Now I'll click Let's Go. Here it's telling me that Chrome or Firefox is required to watch YouTube TV on a computer, but I'm going to continue the setup for my TV. On this page it reveals that pricing is $40 a month and I can see my local channels along the top row here. But I can also see that most of the usual cable channels are listed here too. Now click Next and you'll see some extra services you can sign up for an additional fee. At this time I don't want any of those, so I'll hit Next. And the last step is to enter payment information. Even though this is a free trial, you're required to add a credit card number to start paid services when the trial period is over. You'll definitely need to fill this out to start the trial. I'm setting up YouTube TV on my LG TV, but your setup will be different depending on the TV you own. To install YouTube TV, I have to go to the LG Content Store and then into the Apps section. Find the YouTube TV app and click to select it. The app here is a free download, so I'll click Install. Make sure you have enough hard drive space on your TV. The YouTube app isn't too big, so it really shouldn't be a problem. Here I'm launching YouTube TV for the first time, and since I already have an account, I'll sign in by clicking the Already a Member button. Now using your phone or computer, follow the instructions on the screen so you can enter the activation code. Depending on your brand of TV, the website you go to will be different than mine. But it's really easy to do. A few seconds after the activation code has been submitted, the YouTube TV app on my TV loads up all the programming. The homepage displays programming in categories like you'd see on Netflix. At the very bottom of the page, the individual networks are listed for quick access. I'm just going to select CBS for a quick demonstration. You can browse through here to see what CBS has to offer, and on the second row you can see what's live on my local CBS affiliate station. This is really cool because in the area I live, I have a big hill that's blocking the over-the-air signals from my local channels, so I can't get channels with an antenna. You can also select and watch different series, and past episodes are listed by season, so you can watch any episodes you missed when it was live. But there's also a DVR where you can select the shows you want to record. Just click the plus button under the show you want to record and then it'll be set to record future episodes. To stop recording, just click it again. To find your recordings, go to the home page and select Library. All your recorded shows will be found here. Obviously, I've got nothing recorded now since this is all brand new. But anyways, this is just a quick overview and setup of YouTube TV. To me, it looks really promising as an alternative to cable TV. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.